Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. Are you looking for a fun and fulfilling hobby? Metal detecting is an exciting and rewarding way to find treasure and a great way to connect with the past. If you're starting, getting the best metal detector for beginners is essential to make your experience enjoyable. They're designed to be easy to use, affordable, and most importantly, effective. You can find coins, jewelry, and other valuable items with a suitable beginner metal detector. So if you're ready to start your treasure hunting journey, you've come to the right place. In this video, you'll find information on the best metal detectors for beginners so that you can confidently create your search. Let's begin with the best for the price. RM Rico Max metal detectors for adults. The RM Rico Max metal detector weighs only 2.31 pounds, making it far lighter than its competitors. The handle's ergonomic shape makes it ideal for use throughout the day, and the height can be adjusted from 41.3 to 47.6 inches, which is excellent for adults and children. The intuitive LCD lets you view the detection mode, sensitivity level, battery condition, and volume level. Additionally, you can light up the screen to detect metal in the dark. This product is a waterproof unit with an IP68 rating with an extensive search coil measuring 10 inches in diameter. The shaft that the ring is connected to is made of aluminum. The only issue is that it may not detect metals at very deep depths, but it still performs well for its price. The next one is the best easy to use DOA metal detectors. The DOA metal detector is robustly made with a waterproof search coil 8 inches in diameter, making it suitable for harsh ground conditions and shallow water detection. A big coil ensures a wide detection range while maintaining sensitivity. It's an ideal choice for a wide range of settings, including the beach, the garden, the forest, the grassland, and the mountain. Because of the design of disc mode, you can discern between 3 different kinds of targets and reject undesirable metal targets like iron. This results in detection that is more accurate, focused, and professional. The LCD display makes using and operating the device simple, while also being lightweight, about 2 pounds, and convenient to carry around. Although it can be a bit hard to detect small gold items such as stud earrings, it is still the ideal metal detector for children and adults. The next one is the best accuracy, RM Rico Max metal detector for kids. This metal detector is quite simple to assemble. All you need to do is connect the coil to the control box using the adjustment rod and you're good to go. This metal detector, designed specifically for children, is an excellent choice for the playroom. In addition, this kids metal detector is constructed out of ABS plastic, which is risk-free for young children. Your children can quickly cover the ground thanks to the coil that is 20% larger. If something is metallic in the area, an arrow and a signal symbol will appear on the screen and the alarm will go off simultaneously. The closer they are to one another, the louder it will be and the stronger the signal will be. The only downside is the screen is not waterproof. Overall, this device is an excellent choice for those looking for a reliable and effective metal detector. Still haven't found a metal detector for beginners that meets your needs? Well, keep watching because we have more lined up for you. Meanwhile, if this is your first time visiting our channel, be sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon to receive notifications of our next videos. And the next one is the best adjustable Avid Power metal detector. This metal detector for kids features a stem that can be adjusted from 28 inches to 35 inches, making it perfect for kids and teens of varying heights. Enjoy spending time with your kid, accompany them on a treasure hunt, and encourage them to develop their adventurous abilities and natural curiosity. The diameter of the search coil is 7.4 inches, which contributes to the increased sensitivity of metal detection. Additionally, the metal detector can locate targets as small as coins at depths of up to 4 inches. Because the adjustable stem and the coil are waterproof, these detectors are ideal for use indoors, outdoors, on beaches, in parks and gardens, along streams and in soils, etc. Nonetheless, you must keep the search coil parallel and above the ground rather than shaking it from side to side. but this is a minor inconvenience compared to this metal detector's many benefits. And the next one is the best performance, Vivo Home Metal Detector. This metal detector is easy for children and adults because of its adjustable length and head angle. Utilizing the many modes of operation, this water-resistant metal detector can locate gold, silver, copper, iron, nickel, and zinc. You can differentiate between many types of metals using the disc mode and correctly target and find specific positions of the desired object using the button on the handle labeled Pinpoint. This detector's ability to perform well on beaches and in shallow water is due to its waterproof 8.5-inch coil built to IP68 standards. During operation, you will expend less effort because of the ergonomic handle grip and feel more at ease thanks to the padded armrest. You can also work in low light conditions thanks to the function that includes a backlight. One issue is that it should not be used in areas with many electric wires or equipment, as it may interfere with detection accuracy. In general, the versatility of this metal detector makes it an excellent tool for exploring various locations and finding lost valuables. And the next one is the best technology, SACOBS metal detectors. This improved metal detector is meant to assist you in efficiently finding the treasure you are looking for, and they come with 2 different modes of operation. This metal detector's advanced 10-level sensitivity adjustment mechanism enables you to locate the desired metal targets you're looking for in the most exact manner possible in the least amount of time. It also features an intelligent LED display that is effective in locating your misplaced jewels, even when it's dark outside. The SACOBS waterproof metal detector features a strong coil 8.6 inches in diameter and a sophisticated smart chip that can detect metal 6.7 inches below the surface. Because of its IP68 waterproof technology, you can search for treasure up to 16.5 inches deep in water, which is only a few inches deep. Unfortunately, it should not be fully submerged in water or it can be broken. And our winner today is Bounty Hunter Gold Digger Metal Detector. It's best overall on all metal detectors for beginners that we researched. Any individual interested in treasure hunting would consider purchasing the Bounty Hunter Gold Digger Metal Detector. It has an eliminator/discrimination control that eliminates undesired targets, a power sensitivity control that will help you to increase the depth of detection, and an integrated speaker that will allow you to use it with or without headphones. This device can identify every type of metallic object, from ancient iron artifacts and coins to everyday household goods and precious metals like gold and silver. The detector is equipped with settings that render it appropriate for use by both children and adults. However, it requires 2 9-volt alkaline batteries, which are not included in the package and must be purchased separately. All in all, the Bounty Hunter Gold Digger Metal Detector is an excellent option for everyone interested in locating buried valuables. Okay, that's all for today, guys. If you guys enjoyed this, make sure to smash the like button to subscribe. And please tell us which products you would like us to review next in the comments section. And don't forget to check the description box for all the buy links of the products featured today. If you want to see more helpful tips, guides, and gear to enjoy the benefits of the great outdoors, all that great stuff, make sure to subscribe. Also, feel free to follow us on Twitter and Instagram and our Facebook page in the description as well. For anyone who's interested in camping, hiking, and outdoor activities, click like and follow us. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.